Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. This is an unscheduled event. We normally go live, of course, for the closing bell at 2 p.m. Central, which is in 45 minutes from now. However, there will not be a closing bell show this afternoon. This is my announcement of what's coming up today. As you can see, as expected, as forecast, my Roth IRA is exploding up today because Coca-Cola is finally breaking out. It's not quite ready. It's a little bit early, but it's beginning to happen. No surprise there whatsoever. We've been talking about this for weeks. Also, my portfolio on the dip, I bought more yesterday and this morning on the dip, early hours this morning, and that is rising again. But again, it's not over. There's more drama. There's more volatility to come over the next 24 hours, 36 hours. So please stand by for that. But the reason for coming live today, 45 minutes early, announcing there is no closing bell show, is for the reason I'm in the middle of conversations to bring more CEOs on the show. We are trying to get a clarification from Bank of America with Brian Moynihan, the CEO of Bank of America, and other things with XRP, NVIDIA. We're talking to NVIDIA as well. And so I'm in meetings this afternoon trying to negotiate all those different things for you to bring you some great content. Now then, we did record earlier today. You may not have had the chance to see it. These are the videos that will be coming out today to replace the closing bell. Not exactly at 2 o'clock, but throughout the afternoon, there'll be some videos. First of all, we've got some great news on Gorilla, ticker symbol GRRR. Many of you got stressed when it went down. Well, it did exactly what we said it would do. It rallied up to the interview, sold off, and then today we heard directly from Gorilla about the CEO and the company buying much more shares back. Buybacks, that's coming up today. Learn about that. Also, why is NVIDIA unhappy? Jensen Huang, we've got some breaking news. That'll be out for you today as well. Look out for that. And the new regulations that are being put in place by Biden just to be thrown out a week later by Trump. I don't know why he's bothering, really. Bit crazy. Anyway, then we have a third video, the Trump sell-off. That's why all this has been going on, because of tariffs and CPI and the data report that comes out on a Wednesday and Thursday. Everyone's getting worried about that. Going into the earnings of Bank of America, we'll be covering that earnings, hoping to learn more about XRP. And then we had a brief bit of information about Enphase Energy, why that sold off. That's coming out later this afternoon as well. And then some more information on XRP. After that, we have another a video that is already out. You can go and see it. It was members only for the time at the beginning of the broadcast. It's now available to everyone. This was the event. Let me share with you. If we go over here to the homepage of the channel, if you scroll down, there was an event here which was members only oil interview with Joseph Shasta, who is an expert in oil and commodities. What we try to bring you here on this channel is multiple creators, multiple guests. So we're not a YouTube channel at all. We're a YouTube TV network with multiple news stories and different creators and different broadcasters and so on. This guy was one of my best ever interviews. It was great. It went on for an hour and 20 minutes. You cannot afford to miss this one. It's now open to general public. It was members at first to give all our members the chance to be on the show, speak to him, ask questions directly. He is now going to be a regular creator on our show. So there is the link, upcoming live streams. It's just happened. It's now open to general public. So you might like to go and check that out as well. So there's that for you. So there you go. Plus, I had one other thing I wanted to bring to you. I'm trying to think what it was. For the life of me, now it's gone. I can't think what it was. So I'm not going to be able to remember. But no, racking my brains. No, can't think of it. But anyway, you'll have enough information there to keep you going. Getting ready for the big event, of course, on Tuesday and Wednesday. This is not all over yet. There's more damage to do. There's more volatility to do. But once we realize the CPI data and PPI is not as bad as everyone priced in, I'm going to go up probably $20,000, 10%. How 10%? Because I'm more than doubling now because of my margin position. So 5% would give me 10. So if we get a 4%, a 4% rally tomorrow, it's more like 10 for me now because I'm over the 50% margin position. So it's going to rally, and that would be for me just over $20,000. So I wouldn't be surprised if I'm up $20,000 within a week or so. It'd be nice, but it can very easily happen. So there we go. Thank you very much for tuning in. I know it's early, surprised a few of you. That's why you need to ring the bell and be notified when I go live. That's what's coming up for the rest of the day. I'm going to get back into producing these videos and having those conversations with people, trying to bring more CEOs and more information directly from the sources onto the show. This is fantastic. What a great day this is. Our channel is just exploding. Be part of the Lucas A community as we move into more mainstream, as we become more of a network. That's always been the plan, and it's happening quicker and quicker. Look at this. I'll share with you. We went viral last night on a video for XRP, 49,529 views. We were number one in the world for XRP and the Bank of America. Number one on Google and on YouTube, 49,000 views. And our subscribers now are 58,640. We were only 56 just over like 36 hours ago. Doubling our rate every month. Fantastic. I'll love you and leave you. I've got to get back to making these interviews happen with our CEOs, bringing you the best information. Look out for Gorilla, then Nvidia, Trump sell-off, Enphase, XRP, and then also go and check out on the homepage at the moment where the members-only section is. It's now available for everyone. You can go and watch Joseph Schachtter's interview. You cannot afford to miss it. It's a world exclusive, all about commodities, oil prices. We are in a super cycle. And if you understand that, you will understand exactly why I bought Coca-Cola. You'll understand it fully. And if you understand oil and commodities, you are now an investor, and you'll understand that. All right. Thank you very much indeed. Have a wonderful afternoon. Volatility will continue a little while longer, but it's all very, very exciting. Have a wonderful afternoon wherever you are around the world. 69 countries, 14 languages. Have a great afternoon. Until next time, as always, take care of yourselves and each other.